Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many people encounter when working with technology. Have you ever experienced the frustration of dealing with a slow computer or device that just doesn't seem to be performing at its best? Well, you're not alone. The problem we're tackling today is precisely the issue of a slow and sluggish system that can hamper your productivity and overall user experience. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key to addressing a slow computer or device lies in optimizing its performance by implementing a simple yet effective solution. By clearing the cache regularly, you can significantly improve the speed and efficiency of your system. This solution involves removing temporary files and data that can accumulate over time and bog down your device's performance. Regularly clearing the cache will free up valuable space and resources, allowing your system to run smoother and faster. In addition to clearing the cache, another helpful solution to combat a slow computer is to disable unnecessary startup programs. Many applications automatically launch when you start your device, consuming valuable resources and slowing down the boot up process. By disabling these unnecessary programs, you can streamline your system startup and improve its overall performance. This solution is a quick and easy way to optimize your device and ensure that it runs efficiently. To wrap it all up, tackling a slow computer or device doesn't have to be a daunting task. By implementing simple solutions like clearing the cache and disabling unnecessary startup programs, you can optimize your system's performance and enjoy a faster, more responsive user experience. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your technology running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just be the cache clearing solution someone else needs.